are we doing here?
So we are on the third day of researching Ahmed Beach. We are collecting some examples of what we find here to start the research actually.
Well, today what we're doing is we're collecting all of the bits of marine debris, so plastics, pieces of fishing line, paper, anything that's really washed up that isn't natural and is here. And we're going to collect it all up from a known area. And then later today what we'll do is count it, sort it by size and by type, so that we can get an idea of what the sources are for all of this marine debris that we find here on the beaches.
And this is where they dump all the, what they call an unsanitary waste. So there are about 50 trucks of the trash, you can see here, that comes in and dump. And all these people here, they don't work here, but what their occupation is pemulung, which means they're like an informal sorter that comes into the dump by, on their own accord and collisions. They sort the trash, grab the stuff that they think is valuable, and they sell it for recycling or reusing.
Why do we do it?
To check what's going on around the world and see how people is treating their debris and how it comes to the ocean actually.
What you got? Looks like food packaging.
It's an amazing group of 20 people with 13 different nationalities, and I really like it. Very nice people, and we could really share our experience within Amcor, which is very, let's say, very nice.